Question number 1. Union Budget 2026 to 27 was presented by A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Amit Shah, C. Piyush Goyal, D. Narendra Modi. Correct answer A. Nirmala Sitharaman. Question number 2. The Union Budget 2026 to 27 mainly focused on A. Defense modernization only, B. Infrastructure and inclusive growth, C. Import restrictions, D. Currency demonetization. Correct answer B. Infrastructure and inclusive growth. Question number 3. The fiscal deficit target for 2026 to 27 is aimed at approximately A. 3% of GDP, B. 4.5% of GDP, C. 5% of GDP, D. 6% of GDP. Correct answer B. 4.5% of GDP. Question number 4. Which sector received the highest allocation in Budget 2026? A. Education, B. Agriculture, C. Defense, D. Health. Correct answer C. Defense. Question number 5. Capital expenditure, capex, in Budget 2026 mainly promotes A. Subsidies, B. Infrastructure development, C. Salary payments, D. Loan waivers. Correct answer B. Infrastructure development. Question number 6. Which scheme was expanded to boost rural employment? A. PMA, B. MGNREGA, C. PM Kisan, D. Startup India. Correct answer B. MGNREGA. Question number 7. Direct tax reforms in Budget 2026 aim to A. Increase tax rates, B. Simplify tax compliance, C. Remove GST, D. Increase import duty. Correct answer B. Simplify tax compliance. Question number 8. The budget emphasized green energy through A. Coal subsidies, B. Solar and renewable incentives, C. Petrol tax cuts, D. Diesel import increase. Correct answer B. Solar and renewable incentives. Question number 9. Disinvestment target for 2026 to 27 supports A. Revenue generation, B. Inflation increase, C. Rural migration, D. Import growth. Correct answer A. Revenue generation. Question number 10. Budget 2026 supports startups through A. Higher taxation, B. Credit guarantee schemes, C. Loan restrictions, D. Export ban. Correct answer B. Credit guarantee schemes. Question number 11. The major source of government revenue is A. Borrowings, B. Income tax and GST, C. Donations, D. Lottery. Correct answer B. Income tax and GST. Question number 12. Fiscal deficit means A. Total expenditure, total receipts, B. Only revenue deficit, C. Capital receipts, D. Tax deficit. Correct answer A. Total expenditure, total receipts. Question number 13. Revenue deficit occurs when A. Capital receipts, capital expenditure, B. Revenue expenditure, revenue receipts, C. Imports, exports, D. GDP falls. Correct answer B. Revenue expenditure, revenue receipts. Question number 14. Budget 2026 promotes digital economy via A. Cryptocurrency ban, B. AI and digital infrastructure funding, C. Internet shutdown. D. Cash-only system. Correct answer B. AI and digital infrastructure funding. Question number 15. Which article of the Constitution deals with annual financial statement? A. Article 110. B. Article 112. C. Article 280. D. Article 356. Correct answer B. Article 112. Question number 16. The economic survey is presented A. Before budget. B. After budget. C. During monsoon session. D. By RBI. Correct answer A. Before budget. Question number 17. GST is an example of A. Direct tax. B. Indirect tax. C. Corporate tax. D. Wealth tax. Correct answer B. Indirect tax. Question number 18. Budget 2026 increased allocation for A. Skill development. B. Gold imports. C. Tobacco industry. D. Luxury goods. Correct answer A. Skill development. Question number 19. Which body prepares the Union Budget? A. RBI. B. Finance Commission. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Niti Aayog. Correct answer C. Ministry of Finance. Question number 20. Capital receipts include A. Tax revenue. B. Borrowings and loan recovery. C. GST. D. Income tax. Correct answer B. Borrowings and loan recovery.